Sir, what should we do when the customer says I need to think about it?
Yeah, Nikhil, actually it's a very tricky question and a very difficult question. Because when the customer says that I will think about it, they may be serious, they may not be serious. But usually I have seen in my own experience in sales and wherever I have spoken, usually people, they don't call back. Now, it is probably their strategy to get rid of you. Now, if you want to have one more opportunity to try to sell them, because they have not said yes, they have only, the customer has said that I will rethink and call you. If you need one more opportunity, what you can do, you can use one technique, which is very effective technique, which is called as a doorknob technique. Now, in this technique, what you do, you actually thank the customer and tell the customer, thank you so much, sir, for your time. It was a wonderful discussion. Thanks for the tea and all that. And you start packing up your bags. Collect all the stuff that you have kept on the table. Thank the customer in the end, and actually get up from your seat and immediately turn back and look at the customer and ask one question. Sir, did you feel the cost was little high? Or did you feel the service quality, you have issues with that? Now, what happens, the customer has not thought that you will be asking question again. They were relaxed, they are off guard. The customer felt that now you are leaving. They don't have to bother. But when you ask a question, they will have to say either yes or no. And if they say yes or no, you get an opportunity to restart your call. Then you tell, sir, just a minute, I think I have not explained this point properly. Let me start again. And you can reopen the call, bring out your brochure and explain the product more emphatically. And that will be your opportunity to make a sale again. So that is one of the strategies which can be used. But otherwise, you will have to go back home and wait for the customer's call. So use this strategy called as a doorknob strategy. In fact, some salespeople go up to the door and they catch the knob, and when they are trying to open the door, they look back and ask this question about, sir, I have one question. So this works well, but you need to do it very tactfully and need to practice that. All right, Nikhil? Thank you.